I'm going to introduce you now to the Econometrics toolbox. What makes this tool appear to be almost magical is its ability to come up with an analysis with just one click. When we click any cell, the Econometrics toolbox automatically recognizes the entire source. Clicking here, you have lots of information about your series. It's also very simple to adjust the input series, to reserve some part of your data to estimate your model, to test it, and to enter the forecast length. Safe Toolboxes comes with dozens of forecast models. Let's forecast using an ARIMA 101 model. Of course, like many of the safe functionalities, there is a formula to estimate your equation directly in the spreadsheet. This could be very useful to reflect changes in your model when your data changes. You could explore some other stats to check the properties of the original input or the residuals of your model. Here, the box plot shows us some kind of month-to-month seasonality in our data that we could explore in an alternative forecast model. The historical results keep all relevant information from your previous models. For instance, we can easily check the mean absolute error of our forecast using the Holt-Winters model, which is about 1/4 of our ARIMA model. Multivariate analysis is also done with very similar steps. Just hold the Control key to include more than one series in your models. And then choose the type of analysis that you want. You could easily change your regression using any combination of transformations. For instance, apply the log to the dependent variable, eliminating the intercept and squaring the first regressor. Finally, you could select the best set of explanatory variables running a data mining model. Here you can see that from this set of variables, we can eliminate 4, keeping just the series 2 and 4 in the equation.